Using a cutter and embosser. Knead your flour paste until it feels soft and malleable. Sprinkle some corn flour on the worktop and roll out your paste very thinly to no thicker than 1 mm. Using a small flour cutter, press down evenly and wiggle a little for a clean cut. Smooth over with your thumb to clean the edges. Transfer the flour to the concave half of your embosser, pushing it out with the tip of a clean paintbrush and placing it so that it's perfectly centred. Press down the top half of the embosser firmly. Lift the top half of the embosser and you'll see that you have a perfectly veined flower. Carefully peel it away from the base. A dry paintbrush might help here too. Transfer it to the well of a paint palette so that the flower hardens with petals pointing upwards and looking more natural. Make as many as you need, but leave the flowers to firm up for an hour or so before using. Perfect to top a cupcake.